Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors. Red color, purple color, blue color, yellow color, gray color, orange color, dark green color, sky blue color, lavender color, light green color. A. A for ambulance. B. B for beer. C. C for cake. D. D for doll. E. E for elbow. F. F for fox. G. G for girl. H. H for hippo. I. I for igloo. J. J for jar. K. K for keys. L. L for lamp. M. M for milk. Milk. N. N for nest. O. O for onion. P. P for potato. Q. Q for quill. R. R for rainbow. S. S for shirt. T. T for tree. U. U for uniform. V. V for volcano. W. W for window. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yoga. Z. Z for zipper. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Subscribe.